I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your beta account and device compatibility, and why that matters. Mismatched builds cause maintenance errors. Once done, make sure you have 5–10% battery reserve and stable Wi-Fi, because interruptions break patch installs. Next, back up local saves and jot down any error codes you see. This helps later diagnostics. Now clear only the game cache. Do not uninstall yet, and relaunch to force the client to request updated maintenance flags from the server. You should force close the app and clear temporary files, because cached manifests often trigger repeated maintenance. Once completed, switch DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to bypass flaky resolvers, then test connectivity with ping or traceroute to the game endpoint. This shows where packets drop. If the beta provides manual patch files, apply them now. The client may skip broken updater routines. Make sure to restart the device after patches so background services reload cleanly. You finish by restarting the app and allowing full sync and asset verification to complete. This final step reconciles local files with server manifests. Then re-log in and watch the in-game logs, export or screenshot timestamped errors to send to the development team, because precise log speed fixes. If you remain stuck, toggle beta opt-in, reinstall the client, and restore your saved backup. Troubleshooting tip: if issues persist, try a different network. Intermittent ISPs often cause maintenance loops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.